Do you like that dip?
I do.
Are you sure? It's not too spicy?
It's not too spicy.
Alright, well eat that chip then. You want some more? It doesn't burn your mouth? Are you okay? Is it too hot?
No.
You're sure? You're going back for more? Do you know what you're eating?
I mean,
What are you eating?
dip.
You know what kind of dip that is? Is that buffalo chicken dip? Are you alright?